Good morning. Sorry, I forgot to turn on the microphone, so I talked to myself like 1 minute or so. Okay, so basically we see that here here's the London, right? The London take out the high of the Asia and the Friday high, so that's the phenomenal. We see that it basically take the buy sell liquidity and now a retracement, and let's see how is play out, right? Let's mark this area. Okay, this liquidity move right here. So this move all right, I'm back. Yeah, let's see. So it maybe it's trap the sell side liquidity right here, right? So let's see if we're gonna take the buy side and go down, take a sell side, and continue to go up. Let's see, but is this the huge move upside right here? Okay, here's the 4-hour time frame where we identify the bearish order block right there, or the resistance right there. You see yesterday it retested, and no, I mean not yesterday, I mean in the London section it retests and then it retracement. Let's see if it break through this, right, and it retests one more and it's gonna go up. But at least today we see the market structure was shift. It make a high low. You see that? So today we start see it make a high low right there. So that means the market structure shift, and it may go up here and then go actually retest where the market structure shift and continue to go up. Okay, what is the short setup? The short setup still right here. If you want to play short, you can short when it going here and put your stop loss just above there. Let's see what is the high of this one. 446.44. Exactly right there. That's the high, right? You see the order block right here, and you see the fair paragraph, implied paragraph, right? And the retest going down. Let's see the retest right here. That's our 4-hour right there. So we see the gap right here, it fill the gap, and the gap right here also. Let's see, and you have a order block right here. So let's see how it's play out right there. What the high of this 44609? Okay, 09, not 10, 09. So basically right here the sales liquidity were dropped right there. So we really want to see it take the buy side right there, and then boom, go down, take the sell side, and then we know that they're gonna reverse. Let me see. I mean, if you want short, you can short right here with your stop loss above this 446.44. So you're gonna reach about 40 cents. Let's look at the five-minute time frame. We are our 5-minute time frame right here. So here's our 5-minute time frame. Okay, so you have the level right there. Okay, let's look at the 1 minute right here to give a little bit detail. So let's see, do we see any setup? So we are in about first 11 minute of trading, and here we go, we open right here. right of the mid-range of the London. Okay, you see it did touch that level right there, 44609, and what the high of this? 44610, just 1 cent. Wow. So that means it's gonna come down and take the buy sell equilibrium from here, right? So what the low of this one? You remember yesterday it do similar, right? Yesterday it do something similar, and just take a look at the yesterday. Okay, yesterday do something similar. You see this engineer move right here, and then it set the buy sell equilibrium trap right there, make a lower high, and then it come all the way, take the buy side equilibrium, rate the buy side equilibrium, and boom, it gone up and check the buy side equilibrium drop right there. So yesterday we are enter right here because we thought that's the order block and retest, but now we look at the bigger picture on the liquidity. We see that we should have wait a little bit longer, or at least we know now, we know exactly when to enter. We will enter as soon as the sell liquidity were ready. So let's see how it's played out for today. So it's just set the buy sell liquidity drop right here and go down and take the sell side and boom, go up, or it may do something else. But remember, the yesterday is you know, it moved down after the London. I mean, today is different, right? Today is it take the Asian high and the prior day high, and then it retracement. But yesterday it completely different. It take the low of Asian and the low of the prior day low, so it a little bit different than today. So we should not, you see yesterday, right? This is the London, I think it's the London low, and then pull all the way down here. So the setup for today a little different. Okay, look at the 5-minute time frame. We can see the different about the liquidity from yesterday and today. You see, yesterday the London, it take out the Asia low, and then after the London low take the Asia low. Right before the pre-market, it take the London low and the prior day low right there. You see that? It take it out and then it go up, you know, set drop for the buy side liquidity, and then go down, take the sell side, and then boom, go up. But the scenario today is different, right? It take the buy side liquidity first. That means it may be reverse and go back, go up. So we identified today this one is the manipulation move. Yesterday we identified this is a manipulation move. So let's see how it's behavior around this move. Okay, let's go back to the 1 minute time frame and observe it right now. Wow, if you want to short, you have a reason to short because you see the buy sell liquidity were taken in a intermediate term or short term right there, and you have fair up around here, right? Implied fair up right here. Okay. We just have a sell liquidity were rated, and let's see. But right here you have a huge gap right here. You have a this area is called a bullish breaker and fair gap. So we want to see if it come down here or not. It come down here and retest it. It's this error. This is a very bullish right there. You see the bullish breaker, and then you have a fair gap between them. So I think ICT call this a unicorn setup. So let's see if retest this error. I'm not gonna go long here. Just wait. Let it finish 45. Okay, now we can look at the no, we already passed we are in 20 minutes now. All right, so we can look at the diversion smart money technique. So you see that at 9:30 the QQ make a higher high, but the SPY I think, oh yeah, it also make a high, right? No, make a high low, because low on this one, so high low. Let's see, it's gonna break this. Wow, look like it's gonna break it. Look at that. See the huge upglow candle right there. So it did check the sell liquidity from this. So if we want to go short, then that's the, we can short right here based on 4-hour time frame, right? The bearish breaker. I mean the bearish order block. You see the bearish order block right there. Let's see if this setup is still valid, then it's gonna moving down, or this already reverse pattern. You see, make a higher low, and then you could break this, you could break this one, break this one, and retest, continue to go up. So try to consolidate out this error, but it did not take the buy side liquidity. It still dropped the buy side liquidity right there. It did not raise yet, it still dropped right there. I think the heel gap right here, I need to retest this one. I think let's go in and short right here. Okay, let's do it. We short right here where we put our top stop loss. Stop loss is at 5 cents above the 449 44. Okay, so basically we're gonna put, and the setup is based on the X4 time frame. Okay, the setup gonna be a order block, fair value gap, retest, and it's a X4 setup, but we play the trade on 1 minute. I need a short setup, and our stop loss is 446 49, right? Because the stop loss is 446.44, so 4 cents above. So we need to always identify our stop loss, so we will be in the good shape right there. 49, and then yeah, we reach about 40 cents right there. So our target gonna be at least right here, or maybe the south side of the river from here. So that's our target right there. At least, you know, target or the sell side liquidity of the engineer move right there. We can have this target one right here, right? That's the, or the basically we have two targets, target 1 and target 2. So enter here, and our stop loss just above this this bearish order block from 4 hour channel. Here's our target 1, and then it's target 2 is all the way down there. Wow, see that? At least it's gonna reach right here, and we know that it set the buy side liquidity words to set right there. And let's see, so it's order block, fair value gap, retest, and it's X4 source setup, but on M1. Let's see if it hit this target first. But at least we are in the trade right there. So basically our target just 5 cents above right there. So it's 449.44, and we do 49. So here is, we go in at 449, 46. Yeah, we want to go in 446. Right here, we go in around here. I think we're going around, yeah, 449 right here. And our stop loss is 446.49. Yes, right there. Oh, okay. So we're going right here. Wow. Let's see. Oh, no. Wow, you see that? It checked the buy side liquidity right there. That means it's gonna go up. Or maybe it go down all the way. Let's see. So we see that this liquidity right here buy side is still trapped and not rated yet. So let's see how this guy behavior. Okay, let's move this over here. It's basically our stop loss. Okay, I got it now. So our stop loss just above the 446.44 is 49. So let's see. We're gonna stop out. Wow. 446.49. Right now it 26 something. And what is the high of this one? The high of this one is 19. Wow, just 1 cent below our stop loss right there. Oh no, I mean our stop loss 49 and it's 19, so it's 30 cents. So let's see. Wow, so it take the buy side, it not drop the buy side. So that telling us if it go down, it's gonna go down and take the sell side and continue to go down. It's not gonna bounce back from there. Right, yesterday it dropped the buy side and then it's go down and rate the sell side and then go up. But today a little bit different, is take the buy side right away. It did not any do any retracement to the sell side. Yeah, here's the yesterday. Right. Yeah, yesterday we should have down move right there. So today we have a little bit different story in terms of liquidity. You see, it make a high and then make a high low. So it tells you that it rate the buy side and now it go down. So we are 3 cents. Wow, 1 cent, 2 cents. We are 49. Okay, so like 50. So we gotta stop out, my friend. Yeah, we gotta stop out right there. That's amazing right there. So it's the practice trade for us right there. So stop loss will hit. Oh, okay, I think let's go back to the, I want to take screenshot of the 1 minute time frame instead of, is the high of this one is 54. So we got stop out at right there at this candle. Yep. stop loss and 4649 is got hit at 10:05. So basically we go in right here. We believe it behaved like yesterday, but till now it not. Right? We thought that it will not. It dropped the buy side liquidity, but it not. It did come down here and test this level gap, but not this level gap. Oh, I see. So we see that it break through this order block on the 1 minute, but if you look at the 5 minute, it not really break it at all. You know, on 1 minute you see it go up, it break through this resistance or order block, bearish block, but on the 5 minutes it's not really break it. It just take the liquidity because it's a long wick right there and moving down. Okay, so what's the high of this one? 67, so it's about 67 minus 44, so it's 23 cents above that order block. And right here, not even it retests this you know, fair gap. So the retest is very curved, various. Sometimes the retest go down into the, you know, order block or the breaker block, but sometimes it's only retest. It just retest at the fair gap level only. So that means we have to go in whenever the market offer the retest. That means that we have to give a we have to be flexible in the entry. That's what I mean. So basically we put our entry around this area, then our stop loss gonna be below only 5 cents, right? 5 cents below the bullish breaker, or 5 cents. Yeah, not much risk at all. Wow, we risk. Yeah, so if we take the long setup, it to make sense, right? Bullish breaker, fair gap, retest at fair gap, and we reach 20 9 cents. And how much we're gonna gain, right? At least we know that it can anticipate that it's gonna break through this. Then yeah, we're in $1. Wow, that's a good move right there. Why not take that straight right there? Okay, let's take a screenshot of this. So we have a long setup right here. We did discuss earlier a long setup. For some reason we got caught up on the short side and we take the short, but I think it's better on the long right here because it's so bullish around here. So right now it's on the left, right? We want it on the right. On the right. But why don't we go down here? Why is in the middle? Oh, that's in the right way. I want it in the middle. How about on the right? Oh. Especially I want it to be over here. So start from there. Yeah, I want it just like that. Why can I do that? Let's try this one. Okay, so we entry right here, right? It's a very unicorn setup that ICC say right there. Breaker, follow up just on top of that, and retest that follow up. And we entry, we reach 30 cents. Remember, the setup today is more to the upside than yesterday. Yesterday we don't see this setup. So basically we have a breaker, follow up, retest, and in this case it's a bullish breaker and it's long setup. And yeah, we do have a sell side liquidity. We have a sell side liquidity where we're taken, and buy side liquidity will trap, right? Trap in level right here, right? It make a low right here, it drop right there, and we have a sell side liquidity right there. Identify our stop loss right there. Our stop loss is at 5 cents above this, below this level. So 5 cent below the bullish breaker. Always identify the stop loss before we enter the trade. And the entry time is 09:57. Well, the target is gonna be when we saw the setup, we believe that it's gonna break this level right here, this level. Above, 446.44. So we enter right here, and we do see the sell side really were taken right there, and we see the buy side right here trap. Yeah, so whenever we see this setup again, we're gonna take it without any second thought. Look at that, right? The bullish breaker and the fair gap just on top of it, and when it retests this, that's fair gap, then we can go in and put our stop loss be just below the bullish breaker 5 cent. Our mistaken that we thought they're gonna all the way retest this fair gap also with this bullish breaker, but it did not. It didn't go all the way there, and we missed the trade. But if you look at the risk reward ratio, you see that if you, even though you go right here, but your stop loss below 5 cent here, it's still a very good risk reward ratio. Right? You want to go to get a perfect, entry, right? But in this case, you only reach 30 cents, so it's not really very good risk right there. You see, the conservative rate is above here. We already have $1.24, but if you let it run, you get more than that. So the risk reward right here 30 cents, and at least $1.24. You see how beautiful this play out, right? You break this level, and then you come back, retest exactly that, and go up again. So see how it moves, consolidating, and then this is the manipulation move down. You check the sell side and then boom, go to the buy side. This is the manipulation move right here. Because this move makes you look like a market structure shift, right? It make a lower low, but it's not. It's just a manipulation move, you know, to go up, take the buy side liquidity. Because why not gonna break any further out? Because they have a bullish breaker right there and a federal gap right there. So it tells you that the algo is set to change to the buy program. So it's gonna go up and check out the buy side liquidity. So whoever short like we did, we in trouble. We are again, we're not in sync with the markets. We are the opposite side of the market. We become the liquidity for the market right there. So either way, you're gonna be liquidity, or you're gonna be you're gonna take liquidity from other people, or you become other people liquidity right there. Okay, let's remove all of this for now. $0.40. Yeah. Well, look at the 5-minute time frame. It gives us a second thought about take a short. We should not take a short. You see that? You see the moving up, and then the retracement right here, and then boom, the first 5 minutes is huge. So it's telling you that not short right here. It is just a retest of this bullish breaker and fair gap in the 5-minute time frame. It's perfect. You see the fair gap right there, so it's perfect right there. Wow, we don't see that. Now we see it. So it show up on 1 minute, also on 5 minutes. But in 5 minutes, it gives you more confluent right there, so 55. So the same idea. Bullish breaker, fair gap, retest. That's it. Long setup right there. And we do see that the buy side liquidity was trapped right here. It make a low high right there, and we do have the sell side liquidity was trapped right there. Sell side liquidity was taken, so it's perfect condition to go in, going for long. Yeah, I will stop out to see right here below. Man, you see the auto block right here also, and the bullish breaker they call confluent right here. It kind of overlap right there, so it's very powerful and set up for a long position right there. Yeah, let's do the stop loss 5 cents below the bullet breaker. So target is the buy side liquidity drop right there. So we do have the sell side liquidity we're rated right there, and here's our sell side liquidity will drop right there. Entry right here. Let's do this. Buy side liquidity will drop, and we have a sell side liquidity. Is the same on the 1 minute. Practice make perfect. So that's what we're doing right now. Just practice. So it become our second nature, right? So it should not be an issue for us 1 year from now or 2 years from now, because we are become the machine by then, because we just keep feeding the same, repeat the same thing, trying the same thing to our brain. Then it will grow. It become so-called, social muscle memory muscle right there. All right, 1 minute we're gonna read 10:30, which is a critical time for the R model. By 10:30 we would know the high of the day or the low of the day. So let's see, where is our 5 minute time frame? Yeah, just right there. We just watch it right here. So now we have the DR implied DR high and the implied DR low right there, and this is the mid range. Oh, you see it's already bullish. It's close above the DR implied. Just you should say neutral right now, but wait for the 35, 10:35. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour time frame right here. So basically it going up into this level right here at the fair value gap right there. So let's see, delete this one for now. Okay, let's identify what is the low of this one. 447.41. $447.41. Let's see if it can go up there. Yep. This is the level that we are. So let's see it go up there. So in terms of the market structure and liquidity, we can see that it's the first time it make a higher low right there. It downtrend, right? And the first time it changed the structure. Then I think this move right here can give a lot of clue, right? It may go down here and retest before restart the uptrend right there. So the swing low right here give us a lot of the clue right here. The swing low. And as soon as it breaks that swing low, we know that it's gonna go up, and we may look for the retracement because it's always retrace back to that. I mean, look at this is the pattern that we are looking for when the market reverse right here. By the way, this is from the guy from internet. So here the pattern we're looking for when we are trying to anticipate a reversal. So pay attention to the very first move. In this case, is go up, right? The very first retracement where it make the high low. Pay attention to that one. So right here, this is the one we need to pay attention. You see, it's gonna break through that, and then it's gonna be a retest. And the retest is going to be huge move up there. So we see all the break this engineer move as we anticipate. Yeah, I wish we should see that so we know this is just when it make a higher low right there, so we just go in and go long instead of, you know, go short, go long. We have to favor long. Oh, come on. You make a high low right here. What you are thinking? At least you're gonna take the buy side free from here. So at open going and go long. Here is it 5 minutes? Yeah, at open going and go long, put your stop loss just behind there. Oh, that's the try idea that we mix right there. You see, just go long with your stop loss below this level, or if you mix, then you have an entry right here. There's no short right here, my friend. Look at the high time frame, is bullish right there. But anyway, I think time's up. Let's look at the 5-minute time frame real quick before we are wrap up for today. Okay, so you have a DR model right there. Right now it doesn't have confirmation yet, so let's see how it behaves. I believe it may go back and retest the mid-range and go up, because you see the huge momentum upside from this setup. You can see that right there. That's my interpretation. That's an idea that I understand right there. All right, bye for now. Have a good day, have a good weekend, and talk to you later.